using an example of a very good car.
I've got to go. I'll be right back, okay?
Care homes are under pressure to cut costs. But with continence care, cheap can be expensive. Cheap products are more likely to leak, which isn't good for patients or for caregivers' backs. TENA products, however, are less likely to leak, which is better for patients' sleep and for their dignity. And although our products are premium, they save money elsewhere. Fewer leaks mean you do less laundry and use less energy, which is better for business. Fewer leaks reduce the risk of skin irritation, so you could use less medication. While using fewer products is better for sustainability. And it's better for caregivers, who can spend more time building relationships. Which is, after all, why they became caregivers in the first place. It's common sense that also makes financial sense. We have a saying for this approach: use better, use less. TENA.